After you give your valve springs a whack with a hammer, a socket and hammer, right? That on there, 2 good whacks, because these stick. When you press down, though, it's going to want to hold together. So, I'll try to do this here. But, when I press down, you're going to see the little cone right there, right? And then I have a magnet here. And just stick it in there. Because I don't know if I can do this. I will try. I'll try. Can't promise anything. Well, there we go. It's good to have a good strong magnet, then that way you can get both of them out at the same time. There we go. Do it yourself valve spring press. Disclaimer, I am not a mechanic. I'm not a machinist. I'm just a guy in the backyard trying to fix a Hemi truck. So, I got the exhaust valves out. Right? See how dirty they are? Corroded they are. And there's a cylinder head. Dirty and grimy. And this valve, exhaust valve, is the one on the other head. And smooth. It looks like there's something on there, but it's just a stain or something. And I'm not getting paid by anybody to do this. And I use this. I just soaked this overnight, those valves. But what I'm going to do first is take these valves. And this is brake fluid. So I'm going to soak them in brake fluid. Get all the oil off. And then that's at this stuff here. So what I'll do is I'll soak it in here, put it in there, and then it'll go into the other solution. And you just gotta take a little brush and clean it off. And you'll have heads that look like that. The heads that look like that. So this rust stain, I'm not sure what that is. Alright. I don't know if that was from the Fabulous orange stuff, whatever that is. But that's just a stain. So. And then the crank, it polished out good. So this is the one that's seized on there. So it polished out good, man. I thought it was a complete write-off. But I had to get new push rods for the one side, which is this side here. And the other side was good. Now I just gotta wash this one, take the valves out, and then when I'm pressing them out with my presser, I found that these kind of stick, right? So you put this on there, give her a whack with a hammer. Just give it a couple whacks with a hammer. It loosens things up, and then they'll come apart easy. But yeah, slow and steady, slow and steady. And this side's not as bad as the other one, even though it's pretty bad. Let's turn some lights on here. Yeah, it's pretty grimy in there. This was a dirty engine. And that's why you give your engine oil changes more frequently than what is recommended. Because the next thing you know, you're not changing your oil, you're letting it run longer and longer. And then the next thing you know, it's on the workbench. And tearing out lobes and cams and things. So keep the oil clean. Keep the oil clean. Okay, so we'll label this 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Intake side, right? Because I'll just take these out and mark them 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'll put those back in the same hole. Just a reminder.